Ram Ram Hari Hari. So first of all, we of I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus Feet of Nityagla Purisham Vishnupad, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityagla Purisham Vishnupad, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus Nityagla Purisham Vishnupad, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So by the causeless mercy of Guru Gauranga Nityananda Prabhu, we very nicely celebrated the disappearance day of Rupa Goswami Pad, and also Jhulan Jatra Maha Mahotsav Spring Festival, and simultaneously we also nicely celebrate the appearance day of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu, and who is the undivided Guru Tattva, Akhanda Guru Tattva, and so many speakers, they spoke very nicely and glorify about Baladev Tattva, Akhanda Guru Tattva, and also in conference of Rupa Goswami Pad, very nice. So we remember many things about Gurudev remembrance when Gurudev he was physically present with us, and he also arranged very nice, beautiful this program with Pandit, big Pandit Sabha, 3-4 days. Many Panditas they came and they also discussed about the glories of Rupa Goswami Pad. But now is some virus, coronavirus. For this regard, also many devotees they spoke in internet and they gave lecture about Rupa Goswami Pad and his contribution and the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous, and especially indiscriminately distribute the highest prem all over the world. Anarpita charing chirat karuna avatirna kalo samarpayatu unnata ujjala rasam sabhakti sriyam harihi purata sundara tudi kadama sandir pita kada hidaya kandari spuratu vaha sachinandana. In Vidagdha Madhava Natakam, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he composed this verse. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. Every college goes, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Krishna did not come only one day of a Brahma. That means after 1000 Chatur Yuga, the end of Dapar Yuga, Krishna he comes, and the end of Dapar Yuga in the beginning of the Kali Yuga, same Krishna he comes in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari, and that time he also tested the highest prem of Srimati Radhika, and simultaneously he distributes the one drop of the prem to everyone. In this Kali Yuga, for this regard, our Acharya explained that is called Dhanna Kali. Dhanna Kali Jugera Chai Tanna Nityanand. Dhanna Kali Jugera Chai Tanna Avatar. In this Kali Yug, that is called the Dhanna Kali, and special Kali and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he indiscriminately distributed this highest frame. Jara Andha Atur and all the unqualified persons, and they can also receive the highest frame of Srimati Radhika. Actual one word we say, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the Manjari Bhav to the all the living entities. In this Kali Yuga, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare ran prem vilaya. Whatever who comes, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed this prem. Then we also discuss these things. The Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he mercifully manifested all his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami Pad. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he distributed this prem to everybody, especially Rupa Goswami Pad. He manifested this prem in the heart of Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiv Goswami Pad, and this coming Northam Samananda Srinivas, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. In this way, in our Guru Parampara, the highest prem has come. And Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote many granthas, Vidagdha Madhav, Lalit Madhav, and Ujjwal Ilmani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and also Hamsadut. So many granthas he also wrote. And in this way, Rupa Goswami Pad, he fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. For this regard, Narottam Das Thakur, he wrote one verse, the Pranam Mantra of Rupa Goswami. Jesi Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jano Bhutali Sang Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Very nice, beautiful this Pranam Mantra to offering Pushpanjali, lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Pad. Now we also discuss also the glories of Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu, how he is called the Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Guru Tattva. Without Baladev mercy, no one can attain Suddha Bhakti. Balahinana Labha, without strength, no one can attain his perfection goal. Also, Shastra explained this way. Baladev Prabhu, he gives the Chit Bal, transcendental strength in the heart of living entities, and especially conditional soul. They're completely absorbed to enjoy the material sense gratifications, and their heart completely covered with sense gratifications, and also many kinds of unwanted things, especially many kinds of unearths, Sarubhram, Hidayat Rubulla, Asat Krishna, and Aparad. And also Duskriti Uttanartha, Sukriti Uttanartha, Bhakti Uttanartha, and Aparad Uttanartha. So in this way, Vishwanath Chakravarti and Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explained in Madhurya Kadambini Grantha and Bhajan Rahasya Grantha, Jivas, different kinds of unearths, unwanted things. But Akhanda Guru Tattva Baladev Prabhu, and he will cultivate the heart of the living, conditional living entities, Baddha Jivas, with his, what is called? Hull, plow, and also destroyed all kinds of uneartha with his flood, And so Baladev Prabhu, that means Akhanda Guru Tattva. And so we discuss many ways of Baladev Prabhu's katha, how Baladev Prabhu is called the embodiment of munificent also. Uh, so Baladev Prabhu katha we also discussed few days, 2 days, 3 days, many brahmacharis, sannyasis, and all they also they discuss about Baladev Tattva, different ways. And so very nice, beautiful Lila Katha. Yesterday I also told very nice, beautiful the story. And yeah, how that the when Krishna Lila finished, then after Krishna Lila, that is called the Dvipat Lila of Gaura Lila. Parishishta Lila. Krishna Lila is actually Parishishta Lila, that is called Gaura Lila. And Gaura Lila is very sweet. And so when Krishna is thinking, yeah, I have to perform my sweet Gaura Lila in Navadvip Dham. And for this regard, he is making very nice, beautiful drama. Then he collect the name of the person, those who are to act the role of Gaura Lila. And so Krishna, he called all the devotees of Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, even in Golok Vrindavan. And so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, he made very nice, he's making very nice list, those who are participate in his Gaura Lila. So Krishna, he also called the devotees of Vaikuntha, Gorur, Vishaksen, Narad, and all the also Hanuman also in Ayodhya, and he wrote their name and giving their on one part, what their role will be in Gaura Lila. Hanuman, he also came in Gaura Lila in the form of Murari Gupta. Narad Rishi, he came in the form of Srivas Thakur. In this way, and even also he called to Brahmaji, hey Brahmaji, you also assist my Gaura Lila Nam Sankirtan. So Brahmaji, he appeared, Brahmaji and Prahlad, he appeared in Gaura Lila. He is giving the rule, Haridas Thakur. Even Vaikuntha Golok Vrindavan Lila also there. Golok Vrindavan Lila in there, the Gadadhar Pandit, that is called Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika she should be take the role of Gadadhar. Lalita Vishakha, they should be take the role of Sarv Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Even Nanda Jashoda, they will be take the role of Sachimata and Jagannath Mishra. And so Krishna himself, very nicely, he is making the list. Those who participate in his Gaura Lila, and he gave all his name, distributed all the roles to everyone. And even Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, all the Manjaris, most of the Manjaris, those who are coming with Srimati Radhika, that is called Rupa Manjari, and also Rati Manjari and Radhika. Then almost, and there, everything we have finished. Then Baladev Prabhu told Kanhaiya, where is my name? You did not put my name in your list. Then Krishna is very funny. Krishna is relishing this rose, take and told, hey, Dav Bhaiya, I will not take you in my Gaura Lila too. Actually, this is external he is saying. Okay. That time Baldev Prabhu told, yeah, why did not you put my name in your list of Gaura Lila? That time Krishna told, oh, you always also are against my Lila. And also what is called Virod Karte ho. And sometimes you to use many harsh words for this regard, I will not take you. That time Nityananda, that time Baldev Prabhu told, no, 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 I have to go with you. What is my fault? And that time he told, oh, look, in my Ram Lila, you also and against my mode, so I will not take. What is that? When my father ordered me, I have to go to the forest for 14 years. And that time you become very angry with me. You are very angry with my father, Dasarath. Could you remember in my Ram Lila, you also assist my Ram Lila's that Lakshman. That time you become very angry with my father, Dasarath. And even you told, and yeah, I have to give punishment. That father who is very always who is completely what controlled by his wife Sarino. Could you remember these things? And that time I also have a chastisement to you. And I told, hey Lakshman, again you also blame to harsh words of my father Dasarath. I will also reject you, my parivar. So you are not qualified to my brother. You don't know the mood of my father Dasarath. What is the fault of my father Dasarath? What is the fault of Kaikeyi? Dasarath Maharaj, that my father, he promised to his wife Kaikeyi, she may ask to benediction anytime. So now she is asking the two benediction and one benediction, and that means Ram should be go to forest for 14 years, and then her father, then his son Bharat will be king of Ayodhya. So what is the fault of Kaikeyi? And what is the fault of my father Dasarath? Because this is the rules and regulation in our dynasty. Raghukula riti sada chali jai pran jai boru bachana na jai. But you become very angry. Would you remember? So for this regard, second, when we also about to cross the Ganges, come in the place of what is called before cross the Ganges and going to what place? At the place of Bharat Milan, Chitrakoot. And that time Kevat. Kevat is very simple person. Kevat, he also told to me, oh Ram, I heard about the glories of your lotus feet, because just you touch your lotus feet on the stone transfer in wife. Or if you touch my boat, then my boat will become one lady. So how can I also maintain my wives and another lady also? So for this regard, Kevat, very humble, he told, I have to again and again wash your lotus feet. Then I will drink your food bathing water, eh, maybe some mystic power in your lotus feet. Eh? So I will test. But that time we were become very angry with Kevat. Kevat understand? Who cross? Who drive the boat. Would you remember these things? Eh? Actually, this is very right, nice. Like externally, actually, Ramchandra, he also glorified to Lakshman and Kevat. In our Shastra, Ramayana also explained that Kevat, he was the one tortoise, Kachap, tortoise in the water of Shir Samudra, ocean of milk. And for Lord Vishnu, he is taking rest on the bed of his snake, Shesha. And that Kachap, that tortoise, again and again jumped and tried to touch my feet. And that time, that my sis Nag, the bed of Lord Vishnu. Then he become very angry and also making sound hisses. Then that the tortoise, he fell down in the water and he became very upset. That time Lord Vishnu told, hey tortoise, don't worry. In my Ram Lila, and you can test and as much as you like to put my food bathing water. These things. So now in Ram Lila, this Lord Vishnu has come in the form of Ramachandra, and same Seshanag appeared in the form of Lakshman. So this is the Lila. Now Kevat again and again, he also told to Ramchandra, hey, oh my Prabhu, my Lord, I have to wash your lotus feet and to test your food bathing water. If in their inside any mystic power inside or not. Very nice, beautiful. And that time was over. And that time Lakshman became very angry. Lakshman, he angry with Kevata. Lakshman, he told, I look, sun almost going down, and we have to cross the Ganges. And that time, and Lakshman also become angry to it. Otherwise, Lakshman, he told, if it's too late, then I will kill you. That time Kevat very humble told, and hey Lakshman, if I die with your hand, then your brother Ramchandra will perform my funeral ceremony. This is very nice also. Could you remember these things? You were angry with my devotee, about these things. Then we will another lila, another katha I will also explain. When we also were staying in Chitrakoot, that time my Bharat, who is my heart and soul, he also came in Chitrakoot with all his armies and elephants, horses, armies, everything, and to give to me everything. But you did not recognize the mood of Bharat, and that you came and told to me, and give my bow and arrow. Oh, Har Bharat, he is coming with his army to kill you. Could you remember? Then I told, hey Lakshman, keep patient. I know the heart of Bharat. Bharat, he is coming not to kill to me. But that time you are very angry and use many harsh words. No. Bharat, he is coming to kill to you and destroy all the what is called thrones from the way of his kingdom. That time he told, hey Lakshman, keep patient. If your arrow come out from the bow and again never return back. Could you remember? You angry and with my brother and Bharat also. Eh? Could you remember these things? Eh? Not only this, listen, Bharat. Eh? Hey, listen, Lakshman. That means Baladev. Eh? Bhaiya, listen. And in my Ram Leela, then I killed Ravana and also rescued Sita Devi from the clutches of Ravana. And then I told to Lakshman, hey Lakshman, you also bring some wood and put fire. My wife Sita Devi, she had to enter in the fire, into the fire. She had to give test her chastity. That time you angry with me. Could you remember? And in my Ram Lila, when you were Lakshman, could you remember? And that will become very angry. What is the fault of my mother Sita Devi? And Ravan she kidnaps my mother Sita Devi. And so she has no any fault. But I told, hey Lakshman, keep patient. I have to return back my real Sita. And that time Lakshman, he told, what is the meaning of real Sita? This is not real Sita. That time I told, hey Lakshman, this is not real Sita. My real Sita is now in Kailas with Shiv and Parvati. But I tell you this Lila, these things. But you don't know. And in my Yogamaya, you don't know how Ravan, he kidnapped my and Chaya Sita, Shadow Sita. I tell to you once, and I became very upset because almost 12 and a half years passed, and then the last my Leela in 14 years, I have to kill the Devan Ravana, these things. But in this Leela, everything is also arranged. The Ravan, he have to kidnap my wife Sita Devi. But how Ravan, he will kidnap my consort Sita Devi? And for this regard, I was thinking, in the meantime, Agni Devata, he came and Agni Devata told, oh my Lord, Ram, you are Supreme Personality of Godhead. If you give me chance, then I can help you this Leela. And Agni Devata, he told, oh my Lord Ramchandra, you give your consort original Sita Devi to me, and Sita Devi will stay in Kailas with Parvati, with Parvati. And then I will manifest in another Chaya Sita, Shadow Sita. In this origin Sita, she entered in the fire. Or and that is called and Chaya Sita, and Ravan, she kidnapped Chaya Sita. Now I have to, now Ravan killed, now I have to return back my origin Sita from Agni Deva. And so when I told you this, that could you remember how become we angry with me? So I will not take anything. Not only this, even another lila I tell to you. In my Krishna lila, also you become angry, though you are my elder brother. You also angry with me. At the time of Subhadra Haran Lila. Once you came in Hastinapur and you met with your very nice intimate disciple Duryodhan. That means Duryodhan and Bhim. They are very nice disciple of Baladev Prabhu. Understand? And especially Baladev Prabhu, he has so much love and affection with Duryodhana. And that time he asked Duryodhana, how are you? And practicing the Gada. That time he told, hey Gurudev, if you want how much I practice, so you can also take lesson. That time Baladev Prabhu and Duryodhan, they also fighting and Gada Juddha. Then Baladev Prabhu very pleased with Duryodhan. And that time Baladev Prabhu told Duryodhan, I'm very pleased. And you asked any benediction. That time Duryodhan told Gurudev, how I am Grihastha, I am a disciple. Disciple not asking anything from the Guru. This is true. But you are very generous. You are ask any benediction. So if you are pleased with me, so you arrange one thing. Well, what that? Well, you arrange your sister Subhadra. She may marry with me. Then Baladev Prabhu told Duryodhan, don't worry. Almost I am giving bachan to you. Bachan money, I am giving promise to you. Almost you don't worry. Because I am the best person in my family. And everybody also respect me in Dwarka. So don't worry. Just I return back in Dwarka. Then I discuss with my parents. And then it will be settled. Your marriage ceremony with Subhadra. That's very nice. And here Krishna, he knows everything. Sarvam Tajami. Krishna, he called to Arjuna. Hey Arjun, you come in Dwarka. Arjun, he was staying in Dwarka in the form of sannyasi. And Subhadra, from her childhood, she completely surrendered her life to the feet of Arjuna. And that means she wants to marry with Arjuna. And now she is very young. And one day, Subhadra, she was wandering in one very nice, beautiful garden. And same time, Arjuna, he came in that place in the disguise of sannyasi, sadhu. Then Subhadra, she asked to sadhu, hey sadhu, where you come from? Then Arjuna, he told, I am traveling many pilgrimage places and meet with many persons. That time Subhadra, she asked, have you seen Arjuna? That time Arjuna, with the disguised form of sadhu. Arjuna told, yes, I met with him. I know him. But again and again you are asking and listen to about Arjuna. But what is the special things in Arjuna do you want? Subhadra, he told, if you have seen to Arjuna, please glorify about Arjuna, how he is. That time Arjuna, he told, with the disguise form of sannyasi sadhu. Arjuna, he told, I did not see any speciality or special qualification of Arjuna. Just he used these words. Then Subhadra, so much attachment with Arjuna, he became very angry. And then Subhadra, she took out sword. One who tells these things, the Arjuna has no specialty. And I will also cut his tongue. उसके जिह्वा को खींच करके काट दूंगी. Then Subhadra, she became very angry and she took out her sword. In the meantime, Krishna came. Krishna told, oh my sister, why are you angry with this sadhu? Then Subhadra told, brother Krishna, look, this sadhu is saying Arjuna has no speciality, no any special qualification. I cannot tolerate it. That time Krishna told, Hey Subhadra, do you know? Actually, this person is Arjuna. Eh? That time Subhadra, she became very ashamed, and she ran away. And that night, Krishna told to Arjuna, "Hey Arjun, tomorrow early in the morning, Subhadra, she will go to worship one demigod and demigoddess, and with her chariot, eh, to worship a demigod. But listen, he should not drive the chariot. Subhadra, she should be hold the reins of the horse. In this way, Krishna arranged everything. Next morning, and Subhadra, she went to worship to demigod and demigoddess, and surrounded with her bodyguards. Eh? Then Arjun also prepared in there. Then Arjun seated on that chariot, and then Subhadra, she drove the chariot and hold the reins of the horses. And, and then all the bodyguards, they hopeless, and they returned back and told to Baladev, oh, that sadhu Arjuna, he kidnapped your sister Subhadra. Then Baladev Prabhu, he called all his armies in Dwarkapuri. And oh, Arjun, he has come here in Dwarka in the disguise, the form of sadhu, and kidnapped my sister. You have to give punishment to sadhu, Arjuna. Then almost arrange everything. Almost they proceed to give punishment to Arjuna. In the meantime, Krishna came, and Krishna told, my brother Baladev, what happened? Then tell these things. Then Krishna told, brother Baladev Prabhu, listen, who kidnapped and my sister Subhadra? Arjun, or Arjun kidnapped to Subhadra? Subhadra kidnapped to Arjun. Tell to me. Asked asked Subhadra's bodyguard. Those are where they are the witness. And that time bodyguard of Subhadra, they told, yes. Subhadra, she drove the chariot and hold the reins of the horses. So that means Subhadra, she kidnapped Arjuna. And could you remember when I also kidnapped Rukmini? That time you also helped to me or not? Would you forget? Another things I tell you. You give the benediction to Duryodhana. Subhadra should marry with him. Did you ask Subhadra she will marry with Duryodhana or not? My sister Subhadra, she is not an animal. Just you also sold out the animals in this way. And she has own choice. From her childhood, she completely surrendered feet of Arjuna. Duryodhana is the cruel, stupid, nonsense guy. Duryodhana is the actual Duryodhana is called embodiment of sinful activity, Papa Murti. How possible Subhadra will marry with Duryodhana? In this way, Krishna boldly told to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu completely calm and quiet. So Krishna told, repeat this katha in my Krishna Lila. You also did this or not? So this is this way. Another Lila. At the time of fighting with Duryodhana and Bhim Gada Juddha, in the beginning of Kurukshetra Juddha, and Kurukshetra fight, and then everybody told to you, and hey Baladev, you can come in our part, but you told, no, I will not go I will not participate in the war of Kurukshetra. Now I am going to pilgrimage place, Tirtha Jatra. So for this regard, you left and went to Tirtha Jatra. Could you remember? That is 17 days already passed, and of Kurukshetra, one day left, and last day you came, and last day also that day, Duryodhan and Bhim, they are fighting. That time you are very eager to see how Duryodhan and Bhim will fight with flags, because you are guru of both. eh. But one thing, Duryodhan, he got benediction from his mother, eh, uh, Duryodhan mother, what is his name? And yeah, Duryodhan, Gandhari. Understand? Gandhari, she opened her eyes, then Duryodhan body completely what? As like thunderbolt. Eh? Understands? And just she also covered her lower parts of her waist. These things. So when Bhim and Duryodhan fighting with the club, and Bhim become very angry, and he possesses all his Shakti, even his Nisringa Shakti. In my Nisringa Shakti, I also imported to Bhim. But Bhim also bitterly beating to Duryodhan, but Duryodhan body completely what? Vajravat Kathin, thunderbolt, and making sound dung, 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 nothing. So it is not possible to kill Duryodhana. Would you remember that time I also loudly told Majle Bhaiya, this part. That time you also angry with me. Hey Krishna, why you are चिल्लाते क्यों हो? Why are you no harsh words and loudly harsh words? That means Krishna, he reminds to Bhima, hey Bhim, you took vow at the place of when Dusasan, she also pulled the cloth of Draupadi. And that time Duryodhan, he told, oh, she is Besha, prostitute. Naked to her and sit on my thigh. That time Bhim, he took vow, one day I will take revenge. I will broke your thigh. So for this regard, I also indicate to Bhim, Majle Bhaiya, Then Bhim, finally, he also stuck his gada on the thigh of Duryodhan. Then Duryodhan broke his thigh and fell down. That time, Baladev Prabhu became very angry because Bhim, he broke the rules of Gada Yuddha. That time, Baladev Prabhu, he became very angry. Hey Bhim, I did not give lesson to you. Why did you break the rules of the Gada Yuddha? That time you become very angry and try to kill to him also. Would you remember? Then I stopped you. That I told, look, who broke the rules of this war of Kurukshetra? That time both they also compromised to each other's rules and regulation of Kurukshetra Yuddha. They will fight against to each other. One army will fight with against to another army. If the armies have no weapon, and that time he should not also attack and kill him. Could you remember? But this seven armies, the Duryodhan, Dusasan, they also attack to Arjun's son Abhimanyu in Chakra Guha. And they all that time also Abhimanyu has no weapons. And that time this Atotai, Duryodhan, And Dushasan, they also attacked you and Abhimanyu and killed you. Could you remember? And now you have come and last day, oh, I want to see the Gada Yuddha. This is not the playing games. This is what? War. Games and war, not the same. Understand? Become very angry. Understand? This is the thing. Then Baladev Prabhu become calm and quiet. So there are so many leelas in there. So for this regard, Krishna told, okay, my Gaur Leela, depart my Krishna Leela, Gaur Leela, I'll not take you. That time Baladev Prabhu told, hey Krishna, no, I have to go with your Gaur Leela and assist you. That time, and Baladev Prabhu, he also promised, hey Krishna, in your Gaur Leela, I will never acting any of your against. तुम्हारे कोई विरोध में मैं नहीं करूंगा. That time Krishna is very happy. Then Krishna, okay, now I am already, Krishna told, hey Baladev Prabhu, already I wrote your name in the list, in the top of the list, your name Baladev. You have to assist my Gaur Leela in the form of Nityananda. Because without Nityananda Leela, how possible Gaur Leela will be complete? अक्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय अभिमान शून्य निताई नगरे बेड़ाय जारे देखे तारे कहे दंते तीर्णा धरी आमारे केनिया लह बल गौर हरि. Our Vaishnava poet very nicely glorified how Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in Gaur Leela in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. And Nityananda Prabhu, he is called the embodiment of compassion. Understand? And so much. Without mercy of Nityananda, no one can receive the mercy of Gaura Sandara. So for this guy, Nitya, he had this saying, Akrodha Paramananda. Akrodha means Nityananda is completely beyond of anger. Akrodha and Parama Ananda. And Nityananda Prabhu is completely absorbed, full of bliss of Gaura. So for this, his name is called Nitya Ananda. Nityananda. Ananda means bliss. Nitya means eternal bliss. That means he is always absorbed with Gaura. So for this, Akrodha Nityananda Ram. अभिमानो सुन्न निताई नगरे बेड़ाय अभिमानो सुन्न निताई नगरे जारे देखे तारे कहे दंते न धरी. Nityananda Prabhu, he also hold the tip of the grass under his teeth and he is saying, oh my brother and sister, just you chant Gaura Nam and you sold to me, I will completely sold out to you. And once you chant Nityananda, then means he will take this mercy from Gaura Sandar. In Jagai Madhai Leela, you can say, your Bengali song also explain. Jagai Madhai, two drunkards, drank so much alcohol. But Jagai or Madhai, who hitted in the Madhai, he hitted the head of Nityananda Prabhu and blood coming. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard the Madhai, he hitted the head of Nityananda Prabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot tolerate. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he called his chakra, Sudhan Chakra. Chakra, then Sudhan Chakra is coming. Then Nityananda Prabhu told, hey Gaura Sundar, in your Gaura Leela, you already promised and you will not hold any weapon. राम आदि अवतारे क्रोधे नाना अस्त्र धरे एवं अस्त्र ना धरिल प्राणे कारो ना मरिल हरि नाम दिया करिल सुधार. In the incarnation of Gaura Sundar, and he did not kill to anyone, and He did not also hold any weapons. In the incarnation of Ram and Krishna, he held many weapons and killed many demons. But Gaura Lila, no. So for this regard, Nityananda Prabhu, he also reminded to Gaura Sundar, hey Gaura Sundar, you already took vow in your Gaura Lila, you will not take any weapons. And so you give mercy. That time you give mercy to, but you give mercy to whom? Madhai, who stops to him. So our Bengali song also explained this. Nityananda Prabhu, how he is called the embodiment of munificent magnanimity. Nityananda Prabhu, he told, mere cho kal siri kana tai bole ki premi devana. That means you hit it my forehead with the clay pot, blood coming. But don't worry, I have to give mercy to you. So how Nityananda Prabhu, he is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. Without receiving the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, no one can receive the mercy of Gaura Sundar. And without this mercy of Gaura Sundar, no one can attain to Krishna, Radha Krishna Lila. And so I was saying this way, Godrumenita Nanda Mahajan, Pati Ache Nam Hatta Jiver Karan, Dayala Nitai Chaitanya Bole, Dayala Nitai Chaitanya Bole, Nachre Amarman, Nachre Amarman. Yeah, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is sang this song, and oh my mind, always you sing the name of Dayal Nityananda, Gaur Nityananda. And so in this way you see how Nityananda Prabhu, when same Baladev Prabhu or same Lakshman or same Baladev Prabhu appeared in Mahaprabhu's Lila, Nityananda Prabhu, Yathishtari Bhata Kuru Hari Hari. And Nityananda Prabhu just raised his hands and asking to everybody, oh my brother and sister, just you chant Krishna Nam, I will taking to deliver you from the ocean of this Maya. Just you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So many Leelas and Gaura Leelas, Baladev Prabhu, he took the part of Nityananda Prabhu. And so actually there are no difference Nityananda and Baladev Prabhu. And but Nityananda's Leela is so sweet, Gaura Leela is so sweet. And so everybody had to completely surrender lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Nitai Gaura Nam Anandera Dham Je Jana Nahi Loy. Nitai Gaura Nam Anandera Dham Je Jana Nahi Loy. Are Tare Jamaraj Dhare Loye Jai Narake Dubayo Taro, Narake Dubaro Taro. In this song, so many glorifications about Nityananda Prabhu, Gaur Nityananda, Gaur Nam Nityananda. This is called embodiment of compassion. So Nitai Gaur Nam Anandera Dham Jejana Nahi Lai. Tare Jamaraj Dhare Le Jai. One who not taking the name of Gaur Nityananda, then the messengers of Jamadutas, bind to him and put in the Naraka. So everybody raise your hand and chant Gaur Nityananda. Balo Gaura Nam Ki Nityananda Ki Jai Jai. Okay, thank you for your kindness. I will not take too much of your time. We are almost, time is over. So, very nice sweet Leela, Gauri Leela, and Baladev Prabhu's Leela, Krishna Leela, and Ram Leela. So many Leela, so many kathas also. And if I speak many hours, so need, because here time is also limited. and because have to compare with Gaura Lila, Nityananda's Lila, Lakshman Lila, and Baladev Lila. And, but Nityananda Lila is super excellent, auspicious, and sweet. And you cannot compare to other Lilas. And how for this I are saying this again and again. I remind this little Katha. I remember what is called Akrodha Paramananda Nityanandara অভিমান শূন্য নিতাই নগরে বেড়ায় যারে দেখে তারে কহে দন্তে তৃণধরি আমার এ কিনিয়া লহ বল গৌর হরি যে দেশে নিতাই নাই সে দেশে না যাব নিতাই বিমুখ জনের মুখ না হেরিব and where Nityananda would not go that place, I will not go that place. যে দেশে নিতাই নি সে দেশে না নিতাই বিমুখ জনে one who also averts his face from Nityananda Prabhu, I will not see his face again. So many kathas is there, and Nityananda Katha, and even Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he left his house because his brother, his brother committed offenses to the feet of Nityananda Prabhu. So there are so many leelas. Just also explain this way. And Nityananda's disciple, his name Min Ketan Ramdas. Min Ketan Ramdas. He is always absorbed with Nityananda, 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 and he always hold on foot. Once he came in the house of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. That time Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he was not in his house. That time his brother was there. Then his Grihast Pujari, his name was what Mishra? He did not give respect to Min Ketan Ramdas, Gunarnav Mishra. Pujari Gunarnav Mishra, Brahmana. He did not give respect to Min Ketan Ramdas, who absorbed with Nityananda. Then Min Ketan Ramdas, he became very angry and he broke his foot and threw in there. And he told, oh, this Pujari as like Lomharsan Sudha. Because when Baladev Prabhu came in Namisaranya, that time Lomharsan Sudha, he gave Puran Katha in front of the many audience. But Baladev Prabhu came, he did not give respect to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu became very angry. Baladev Prabhu thinking, I am Guru Tattva, Khanda Guru Tattva. And without giving respect to me, just he is speaking and sitting on his asan and giving. Then Baladev Prabhu became very angry and he took one piece of grass and cut his head. And in this way, Baladev Prabhu, he killed Lomharsan Sudha. Then all the audience, they become very upset. Oh, who will give Harikatha to us? That time Baladev Prabhu told, don't worry. Lomharsan Sudha, and he said, Ugra Sabha Sudha. Baladev Prabhu just touched his hand on his head, and that small boy, he started to speak Hari Katha, Balavindavan. So in this way, Min Ketan Ramdas, he told, oh, he did not give respect to me. It's as like, and he left this place. And in this way, time passed. Then after a few days, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he returned back his home and he heard these things. And no one give respect to Min Ketan Ramdas, who is the disciple of Nityananda Prabhu. And that time his brother, that means Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami's brother, he told, I have faith with Gaur Sundar, but I have no faith with Nityananda. Nityananda is Avadhuta. He was Brahmachari, Sannyasi, then Grihastha, and then he is as like a rich man. And everybody glorified to Badalok Boli Tarikai. And he's chewing the betel nut and also dressed very nice, beautiful, gorgeous dress. This. So for this regard, I have no faith with Nityananda. That time, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami became very upset. Told his brother, you don't know. Nityananda and Gaurasundar are actually non-different. There are no difference from Gaur and Nityananda. And like Krishna and Baladev. Krishna and Baladev. Say Krishna or say Baladev. That means same Krishna, he appeared in the form of Baladev. Ditya Vigraha, his second body. Krishna's second body, Ditya Vigraha, that is called Baladev Prabhu. Only the difference and complexion. Baladev complexion, the fresh complexion, and Krishna's complexion, blackish complexion. So in this way, they discuss everything, but his Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami's brother, he did not faith with Nityananda. Then Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami became very upset. Whole night he was crying and crying. He want to criticize to Nityananda Prabhu. So how possible I will stay with? Then in his dream, Nityananda Prabhu and Baladev had come and told, hey Krishnadas Kaviraj, don't worry. You go to Vrindavan, do bhajan and sadhana. And even Nityananda Prabhu hold his hand and took him to Vrindavan. And in this way, so many glorification of Nityananda Prabhu. Jai Nityananda Prabhu ki jai. Nitaye Koruna Have, Braje Radha Krishna Pave, Dhara Nitai Tarana Dukhan. Very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. When you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Akhanda Guru Tattva, then automatically attain in Vrindavan and you become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Nityananda Prabhu ki jai. Jai Shri Radha. Thank you for your kindness. If you have any question, you can ask few minutes. Because already my time is over.